Here we go. Butterfly, please, for 2 cucarachas. Nature boy. 2 cucarachas. Quick, quick, slow. Full basic. Quick, quick, slow. Break back to our face line. Rock 3. Slide the door. Back apart together, go forward. Rock 3 to face, facing center. To line, side walk. Then lines twice. Quick, quick, slow. Open break. Whip man face wall. Half basic. To line, crab walks, plural. Underarm turn to butterfly. Hand to hand twice. Open break. Step through to a serpiente. Step through, side behind fan, behind side through and fan. Spot turn the line. Shoulder to shoulders twice. Half basic. Underarm turn to the lariat. New York reverse and half open. Man roll across in 3. Ladies across in 3. New Yorker back to butterfly. Full basic, top of the dance. Break back over face line. Rock 3. Slide the door. Rock apart, cover, go forward. Rock 3 to face. To line, side walk. Bend lines twice. Open break. Whip man face wall. Half basic. Crab walks. Underarm turn to butterfly. Hand to hand twice. Face line fish reverse. Open break. Through to the serpiente. Step through side behind fan. Behind side through and fan. Spot turn the line. Shoulder to shoulders twice. Quick, quick, slow. Half basic. Underarm turn. Ladies lariat. New Yorker reverse and then half open. Man roll across. Ladies roll across. New Yorker to butterfly. 2 slow hip rocks. Moving break and hold. Ta-da! That's it. You like it? Pretty piece of music. I think she did a good job with it. Okay, take a couple minute break. Then we're going to work on our rainbow foxtrot. That's what we're doing with that top speed routine. Which we'll review all what we did with it.